okay, kids, I want to do this with you because I feel that you haven't, you still don't get what you have here. O sea, so this is a resource bank that I shared with you. So if you go to o sea, here are all the topics that appear in the course, the 2 years course. Okay, in my first page, I have a formula booklet, o sea, the formula booklet that you need. Here are the 3 books, o sea, well, here are the 2 books of Heise. These books are amazing books, kids. Amazing. O sea, like, these are the 2 books that you need for your course. O sea, and here, o sea, Heise book number 1 is the content that we share with AAHL. Miren, this is a mistake. It should be AIHL and AAHL. O sea, this book, the blue book, is the book that we share the core topics HL. O sea, this is the book that both AAHL and AIHL should share. And like it has some topics, some of the basic topics for HL. I do feel that it is a great book. O sea, like if you want, it has like calculator, like how to use the calculator Casio, how to use the TI Inspire, and like the calculator instructions. Look, for example, it's about lines, about like some of the basic things that we did not even check because it is pre-assumed knowledge. O sea, some of the basic probabilities, some of the sampling, some of the statistics, trigonometric functions, transformations of functions. O sea, here you will have a lot of like the basics from the HL courses. Also, you have a solutions book. In the solutions book, you don't only find the solutions. O sea, you will also find like the worked examples. O sea, you will, o sea, like it's not only the answer. You actually have like the o sea, like the procedure to solve the problems. O sea, I strongly encourage you to go to these books and see the solutions. Let me show you the Heise 2. Heise 2 is this is only for AIHL. O sea, these are the contents that we don't share with anyone else. So for example, what topics appear in this book? You have, well, some of the financial math, some of the modeling. Here, a full chapter about vectors, a full chapter about like, the lines with vectors, complex numbers, graph theory, Voronoi diagrams, eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Some of the things that are super, super cool that we will see. We are almost halfway there with this book. You also have the solutions in here. Here, this is a beautiful resource. Here is the summary of all the content that you will see in these 2 years. O sea, like, for example, if you want to remember what is an arithmetic sequence, a geometric sequence, o sea, like all the definitions that you need to know by memory, including some that we haven't seen, o sea, pero all of them are here. This is just the summary. This comes from Heise Book 3. Book 3 is only to prepare for the exam. O sea, Book 3 is just a book with practice for the exam. So, I strongly suggest you to check it as well. Here is a cool YouTube channel to know how to use the calculator. If you want to see the template, because I created a template for the internal assessment, o sea, like how does our internal assessment should look, what you should fill in. Here is the template. Here is a checklist. Here is the rubric. O sea, I also have a presentation. I'm gonna put it in a moment. Here are some open access mock exams, the ones that are not illegal for me to share. From Heise books, from Save My Exam, from Oxford books. And now for every topic, you have the notes from Save My Exam, the Revision Village videos, in what part of the Heise books you can find it, and the Revision Village problems. Right now, because we are going over vectors, o sea, let me just go here to vectors. O sea, look, even though all of these vector properties only has one section of problems, but this is like a great practice because here you have like a problem and here you have the solution, no? I don't know, like for any topic that you want to rehearsal, you can go in here. Right now, if you want to check like the vector lines, o sea, remember that there are 3 skills that you do need to know how to practice, o sea, that you do need to know, o sea, like, what is the distance from a point to a line? Here, this part is what is the distance from a point to a line. What is the distance between 2 lines? What is the distance between 2 lines, no? Actually, this one is, when are they the closest? So, this is, you don't have to find the distance, you only have to find the parameter t. And so on. Like, I strongly recommend you to go over this and try them. I am gonna, during the summer, I am gonna improve this so that the notes are better. And to put more exercises, no? But yeah, like right now, this is what you should be doing. Sending you a lot of love, kids.